Have you ever made a heartfelt dua and wondered if Allah is really listening? Have you faced moments when everything felt stuck and you longed for just one sign, one breakthrough? Today's video might be the answer you've been searching for. Mufti Menk shares a powerful dua, one so sincere, so transformative, that it has changed lives, healed broken hearts, and opened doors no one thought possible. This isn't just a dua for wealth or success, it's a dua for clarity, peace, and divine direction. It's the kind of prayer that shifts your heart even before it changes your situation. In this video, we'll explore the secret behind that dua, the timing, the mindset, and the trust you need to make it work. If you're holding on to pain, confusion, or uncertainty, stay with us, because what you're about to hear may be the turning point you didn't know your soul needed. 1. Importance of dua in Islam. In Islam, dua is far more than a simple request. It's an intimate act of worship that reflects a believer's faith, humility, and dependence on Allah. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ described it as the essence of worship, highlighting its central role in the spiritual life of a Muslim. Dua allows us to speak directly to our Creator without the need for any intermediaries. It's a sacred moment where the heart opens up to Allah, seeking guidance, mercy, and help. Unlike structured rituals, dua is personal and can be made in any language at any time. It strengthens the bond between the servant and Allah, nurturing trust and spiritual closeness, even in times of silence, struggle, or uncertainty. 2. The dua that transformed lives, as mentioned by Mufti Menk. Mufti Menk often emphasizes a powerful, simple dua that can bring a clarity and transformation. Ya Allah, if this is good for me, make it easy. If it is bad for me, remove it from me. This dua reflects complete submission to Allah's wisdom, showing that we trust His knowledge over our own desires. Many times, we chase things that seem right but bring harm in the long run. Through this dua, we surrender control and allow Allah to decide what stays in our life. It's a beautiful blend of hope and detachment. Numerous people have seen their lives change after consistently making this dua. Doors opened, toxic ties ended, and peace replaced confusion, all through sincere reliance on Allah's decision. 3. Story or example from Mufti Menk. Mufti Menk once shared a powerful story about a young woman struggling with heartbreak after being left by someone she deeply loved. Instead of falling into despair, she turned to Allah and made a heartfelt dua. Ya Allah, if this is not meant for me, take it away and give me what's better. At first, nothing seemed to change, but within months, she received a job opportunity abroad, began healing, and eventually met someone far more compatible. What she once cried for became a distant memory. Mufti Menk highlighted this story to show how dua doesn't just change our circumstances, it transforms our hearts. Through sincerity, patience, and trust, Allah replaced her loss with something far better than she ever imagined. 4. Conditions for accepted dua. For a dua to be accepted, sincerity is the foundation. It must come from the heart, not just be words on the tongue. A person should be truly present, humble, and aware that they are speaking to their Creator. Another key condition is earning from halal sources, income that is pure and lawful. The Prophet ﷺ warned that duas may be rejected if one's food, clothing, or wealth is haram. Additionally, consistency matters. Even if the answer is delayed, a believer should continue asking without frustration. Avoid making dua for sinful things or harm to others. Most importantly, never doubt Allah's mercy. Trust that He hears every word and will respond at the right time, in the best possible way. 5. Times when dua is most accepted. Certain moments are divinely blessed, making them the best times to raise your hands in dua. The last third of the night is especially powerful. Allah descends to the lowest heaven and asks, "Who is calling upon me so I may answer?" Another key time is between the adhan and iqamah, a moment often overlooked. While fasting, particularly just before breaking the fast, is also an accepted time for dua. Fridays hold a hidden hour where supplications are not rejected. Many scholars say it's the final hour before Maghrib. During sujood, prostration in salah, we are closest to Allah, and it's a time to pour our heart out. These moments carry a special spiritual weight, and dua made then is more likely to be answered. 6. Combine dua with tawakkul. Trust in Allah. Making dua is powerful, but pairing it with tawakkul, complete trust in Allah, is what truly transforms lives. Sometimes, after making heartfelt supplications, we don't see immediate results. This is where tawakkul comes in. It means believing that Allah heard you and will respond in the best way, even if it's different from what you asked. Trust that His delay is not denial, but a redirection to something better. Mufti Menk reminds us that true faith is saying, "Ya Allah, I leave it in your hands," and then being content with His plan. Just as the seed grows in darkness before it blooms, our dua works behind the scenes. Letting go and trusting Allah opens the door for miracles and peace. 7. Powerful words to use in dua. Mufti Menk often encourages believers to personalize their duas with heartfelt, meaningful words that reflect sincerity and trust. Using the beautiful names of Allah, like Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, Al-Fatah, the opener, and Ar-Razaq, the provider, can deepen the impact of your supplication. For example, if you're seeking guidance, say, "Ya Al-Hadi, guide me to what is best." Or if you're in distress, "Ya Allah, you are the one who hears my silent cries. Help me." These expressions show vulnerability and trust. Short, emotional phrases like, "Turn my heart toward you," or "Remove what you know is harmful," bring a deep spiritual connection. The more honest and specific your dua, the more likely it is to touch the mercy of Allah. 8. Dua changes destiny. Qadr. One of the most astonishing truths in Islam is that dua has the power to change destiny. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Nothing changes qadr except dua." This means that even if something is written for you, a sincere dua can shift your path by Allah's permission. It's not about overriding divine will, but about Allah inviting you to participate in your own fate through prayer. Mufti Menk often reminds us that Allah's mercy is vast, and He allows room for change through heartfelt supplication. Whether it's protection from harm, opening of a door, or even delaying death, dua plays a role. When you raise your hands with hope, you're not just asking, you're unlocking divine possibilities written in mercy. Subhanallah, the power of dua is truly beyond imagination. When we call upon Allah with sincerity and trust, He responds in ways we could never expect. Never underestimate the impact of one heartfelt prayer. It could be the moment everything begins to change. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Pious Deen for more spiritually uplifting content. May Allah ease your heart, open your doors, and grant you peace in this life and the next. Ameen. Comment below, "Ya Allah, I trust your plan for me." Let's fill the comments with faith and positive energy.